So this is the nearest valley village to me. I used to come here semi-regularly. I haven't been in a long time, but I thought I would come today because I had an appointment down here and I got some great stuff, so I'll show you. Hi guys, I'm at the T&T trying to stock up a little bit. Okay, I'm doing this from the back of my car. It's just easier. I've got a daikon radish, ginger, and cabbage. I picked up some garlic, some portobello mushrooms, big bag of cilantro. Then in this bag is 10 pounds of ground beef. I gotta go back and get more ground beef, but I have to organize my freezer. I picked up 2 of these guys, and I picked up 2 of the chicken hearts, and then a bag of chicken thighs, I guess they're called, because they were on sale. At Walmart, I picked up Temptations 2 packs of turkey and a beef, because every time I try to order them, they say they're out of stock. While I was trying to move stuff into the kitchen, I turned my back for 2 seconds. One of the dogs did this to my brand new cat treats. I also picked up, I don't know, maybe 8 tins of the puppy food. I like to have some dog food on hand in case of snowstorm or whatever, just in case, and the puppy food has more nutrition. So I'll show you what else I got when I get home.
Q107 40 Creek Double Barrel Reserve Whiskey. New look. Now available at the LCBO.
This woman that is helping me with some things I've got that are pretty big issues I've got going on, she gave me a winter coat, and although black is my color, I do like this one. It's in a faux suede. It's got pockets. It's trimmed with the faux fur, and the inside is all lined. Can't see what that says, but it's got a nice hood. It's got all the faux fur. She also gave me some gloves because the dog ate my gloves last year, and she gave me this scarf to match. That was pretty nice of her to do, because I haven't had a winter coat in like 5 years and all I do is layer up, so this is going to be helpful. I mean, it's not a full winter coat, it isn't lined enough, but it will help immensely with the layering. So that was really cool of her. Okay, I picked up some stuff from Valley Village, and the first item is this old looking Victorian boot, which I don't know if it's supposed to be a planter or just a decoration, but I love it, and I want to repaint it. It's very cute. And I picked up one of these jars, and it's a good quality for $1.99. I figured, hey, I needed it for a recipe, actually, and it has an excellent seal on it. So then I picked up this kilt pin, which somebody put all these dangly doodahs on it. Now, there are rhinestones missing, and it's a bit broken and screwy. Like that's just tied on with some plastic wire. This one's hanging off, so I asked if they would give me a discount, and so I got this for like $1. So that was pretty cool. And I know the manager down there, although she hasn't seen me in a long time, I think she remembered me and did me a flavor. At Dollarama, I picked up another gift bag. This one I really like because the colors are just stunning, I think. I picked up some Tostitos. Don't know why, but I just love the Tostitos. And I'm not buying any chips, so it'll be with the peppers. I got a composition book. I picked up some more Christmas tags, and you get a double set. I picked up a box of wooden little Christmassy things for pocket letters. Picked up some batteries. I got to do a video on the cable company. Well, I won't talk about it now, but it's ridiculous. That's why I'm buying the batteries. I bought some of these mini peppermint candy canes. I bought some of these little flowers in blue. This is the last one they had left. I have some in pink, white, and some darker red, so I thought I might as well get these to go with some projects I'm doing. At this local dollar store, Absolute Dollar, I picked up this ribbon. It's a fabric ribbon that looks like leaves. I picked up some stickers. I picked up some more stickers. I picked up some more stickers. And I got these guys. Where's the other one? Before they had a chance. Hang on, I don't want you to show one part. How am I going to do this? Let's see, I'll put that on. Will that work? I picked up these buttons before they had a chance to price them, so I think I got a deal. I think the cashier thought they were $1, and they probably would have been $1.50. I bet you if I go back and they're up on the racks, they're $1.50, but maybe not. These are freaking adorable, and you'll see what I'll be doing with those. And that is my haul. I don't think I missed anything. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.